Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Cloudflare WARP service is not available. First method is run to stop and start Cloudflare WARP service. Second method is change service settings. Third method is change DNS server addresses. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.